So it's no secret that starting your YouTube channel is super duper impactful. You can make more money, you can learn and grow an online business from YouTube, and most importantly, you can live out your purpose that God has called you to do. Okay? Oh my gosh. What is up, Define Squad? Welcome back if you are not new here. My name is Alex at Defined by Alex. We are defining our lives and building our dreams. So, if you are here and if you have watched me from when I got started, which was about back in November of 2020 up until now, then you know that I have started my YouTube channel and I've been growing my online t-shirt business as well. In this video, I'm going to show you how that can really help you grow your business and, of course, add some more money in your pockets, because at the end of the day, no one likes to be broke, okay? Also, if you haven't seen, I already posted my first YouTube paycheck video, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing what my revenue is as of today, which is currently July 6th when I'm filming this, of how much money I've made on YouTube thus far. So let me go back and go to pretty much how YouTubers get paid, because I remember having a question when I posted that first YouTube paycheck video, and I got the question that was asked, how do YouTubers get paid? And you guys, to be honest, that is a very common question. When it comes to YouTube revenue and the numbers, the views, all of that stuff, it is not what you think for face value. And here's what I mean. When people go watch a video, they might see 12,000 views. And so some people might equate 12,000 views to a $12,000 paycheck. Some people might equate 12,000 views to a $8,000 paycheck, whatever. And you know, that is a lot of misconception. YouTubers get paid through Google AdSense. Now, if you're new here and you're just trying to learn the fundamentals of what it means when you get paid through Google AdSense, let me put it to you very simply. So just say you're watching TV, you're watching Real Housewives of Atlanta, and the TV breaks for a commercial. That commercial is sending out, you know, its advertisement, whatever company is promoting something, and it comes to your eyes. Those advertisers are paying to put that ad in that video, or in that TV show. And YouTube is the same way. So if you're watching this and an ad breaks, whether it's now or later in this video, you're gonna see a company or a brand, like, say for me, it's gonna be like Silhouette America, right? You might see how they're advertising a Silhouette cameo, and then the more you watch that, then that increases my YouTube revenue, okay? So that's exactly what it is. When we place ads on our videos, advertisers are paying for you as viewers to watch those videos in hopes that you buy their product, in addition to us getting paid as well, okay? So I hope that helps you understand how the money works, what we get paid for, and things like that. On the flip side, when it comes to subscribers, views, and things like that, we don't get paid per subscriber. I think I'm around, in this video, I'm almost at 10K, which is an exciting moment, but at this current video, I'm around like 9,500 subscribers. That does not mean I'm receiving a $9,500 check, although, you know, I'm claiming it. But that's not what that means at all, okay? So just because I have 9,500 subscribers right now, that doesn't mean that that's what my paycheck is going to be, all right? All right, so now we've knocked out two most important things that I think were kind of like misconstrued. And to be honest, I get it. If you just don't know how it works, this is why you have videos like this where we help you understand the basics for you to get started and have a better understanding in starting your channel in ways that help you understand how to make your channel successful, especially if you have an online business. Another thing you want to think about when starting a channel is think about the audience that you want to attract. Now, if you're a business owner, this shouldn't be, you know, unfamiliar to you, because you should know all about your target or your ideal audience, and you should know how to just, you know, pretty much construct it from there. However, if you're brand new to being a creator, being in the online space, let me help you understand this a little bit better. When it comes to your YouTube channel, just like a business, you have to think about who do you want to watch your videos, okay? So take it from me for an example. I started my t-shirt business, and so I started my YouTube channel around viewers like you who want to start a t-shirt business as well. And so my content is focused around t-shirt businesses, whether it's how to press a t-shirt, especially if it's the heat press industry, vinyl, t-shirts you need to buy, equipment, all that stuff that's related to a t-shirt seller. Or I can also talk about a silhouette cameo, all the vinyl cutters. You know, it's just like I said, the gamut of opportunity when you start your channel. And so for me, that's the audience I have in mind. You may be really like into home decor, so you can create a channel on where to buy some really good like decor pillows. If you have a specialty, you can think about certain times of the year to buy, you know, home decor, right? So if you guys try to understand, just look for or think for the people that you imagine really to watch your videos, because that's gonna be how your content is going to thrive, okay? Like literally, my first video, which I'll insert it here, that to me in my mind went viral. I say viral because it's subjective, but I think for me and my channel, this is my highest performing video. I had this video in mind because it was during the pandemic, and a lot of us were at home, and a lot of people, most importantly, realized the importance of having more than one income, okay? So I truly believe that that's why a lot of you guys are here today, because you saw that video and you watched it. YouTube pushed it out to you. That's what the algorithm is, which I'll get to that in a second. And ultimately, it helped my channel grow, which in turn, I got monetized and other things I'm gonna talk about here in just a second as well. So going back to your ideal audience, just think of them when you're making your content, because again, that's how your channel is gonna grow. So as far as your online business, and the reason why it's gonna be super important for you to start a channel is because you have a skill. You gotta think about that. This is YouTube University, okay? I think I heard this like a couple years ago. People come to YouTube before they're gonna look up an article. People may come to YouTube before they go to Instagram, okay? So just think of this as literally an online learning platform, you know, for a lot of people who are creators in that like educational space, you know, learning businesses and things like that. This is the platform to do that. And these are the times where people are learning things very digitally. You know, you can make a lot of money through digital products. So all of that comes full circle when it comes to creating content, and knowing that if you have a skill and you know how to present it well and display it to where people can understand, then that's how you can turn your skill, you know, into a business and, you know, things like that. Really, like, honestly, to simply put it, you guys, when you learn something and you master it, make a video. That's the best way I can tell you. And so for me, I learned how to make t-shirts. I did all of my research. I even watched YouTube videos, and I learned a method that for me, I can display it to viewers like you. So once you have a skill, make that into a video. Turn it into some content. You know, build your online income in your platform, because essentially that's how you're going to feel the most rewarded and appreciated when you do that. Okay, so now I've talked about myths or like misconceptions when it came to how people got paid and things like that, or did your subscribers equate to your paycheck, all that stuff. And on top of how you can turn your skill into content, now I'm going to turn around and show you guys my current YouTube analytics, share with you like how much I've been making since I filmed my last video, and my plans for YouTube in the future. All right, Define Squad. So we are in my creator studio on YouTube. I'm in my channel dashboard here. So just where I'm hovering, this spot tells me how my last video performed. So just so you guys can again see this all in real time, you can see my numbers, you can see what is working for my channel, and then in return, you can use these same, you know, concepts or takeaways from this video and showing how you can do the same thing to grow your channel and your business. So according to my last video, which I uploaded Sunday on, Sunday the 4th of July, I woke up and this is what it was doing. So it's ranking pretty good. I'm getting good views. My click-through rate is great. Like according to YouTube, this is a really good indication that your numbers are doing really well. They'll let you know like, hey, great job. People on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more than usual. So these are what I mean. These metrics are letting me know that I'm moving in the right direction. And then over here in my channel analytics, I can see my estimated revenue, and then I can go ahead and go a little bit deeper, and you guys can see more of what's, you know, helping me understand what's working in my channel and, you know, things that I need to keep doing pretty much. So just down here, it just shows you like why views are higher than usual. To be honest, I haven't really taken the time to look all into these, but I will later today. And then I can see my top videos for this period. So this was a video, you guys, that is doing tremendously well. And if I click on this video by itself, it isolates this video's metrics outside of the overall metrics of all of my videos. So it's showing me how many views, my watch time, how many subscribers I've gained from this video alone, and then my revenue from this video. And then you guys can see how I have this ascending, you know, line. That just means it's going good, you know. It's up and it's up and it's up and it's stuck. Like, that's just really what it is. And, you know, just more metrics. Again, I'm not gonna focus on these, but I wanted to show you guys really the possibilities of starting your channel and, you know, how it can really help you grow your business and your platform. So I'm gonna go back to my overall dashboard and channel analytics and go over to this revenues tab, and you guys can see, honestly, to be real with y'all, I'm sure this is why people watch these videos, because I watched a lot of these videos, not gonna lie, before I got started, just because a lot of people are results driven. Okay, now, do I think that that's going to be successful for you? Not all the time. You really do want to make sure that your videos are, you know, they make an impact, like you're doing good things and you're sharing valuable information. Don't focus on the money in the beginning, because it's not going to help you keep a momentum. Okay, so I show you this, but I also want to put in the back of your mind to also just not think about the numbers, like I said in the beginning, because number one, you got to make sure that your channel is doing what it needs to do, and you'll see that come naturally. Okay, I promise. Like, I put out content to help people who are at home start a t-shirt business, make extra money on the side, and that was my focus, and that's how my channel became successful. So I had my audience in mind, like I discussed earlier. And so, enough of my rambling. So this is what I've made so far, well, the last 28 days, I'm sorry. And then for the month of June, this is how much I've made. And then it shows me my RPM, so what I'm actually getting paid, and then what advertisers are paying to have their ads in my videos. And then if I wanted to scroll down, I can see like my top earning video, my monthly estimated revenue. So it just breaks it down by the month. You guys can see from the time I got monetized, which was this past March, up until now, I've been doing pretty good. Me personally, I am striving to make a nice chunk of money on YouTube. However, YouTube and ad money is not the same. As you guys can clearly see, there are going to be times where you might make, you know, close to 1,000, over 1,000, whatever, and then you could be below that. Okay, so what I also want you to take away from what I'm showing you right now is that it is not consistent. And if you watch other videos like this, I'm hoping that they also tell you that it is not consistent. So I say all of that to say you should not rely on your YouTube AdSense alone, or your ad revenue, you know, to be your only source of income. Okay, so don't do that. Make sure you're doing other things on the side. If you're still working your corporate job and you're making money from YouTube, I think you're in a good situation. If you're doing all those two and you're doing a business, like, you know, you really got a lot going on. But essentially, think of more sources of income, because again, this is not guaranteed. Okay, so going back to how much I've made in total for the entire year of 2021 so far, I'm sitting at almost $4,000. To me, I have surpassed a lot of goals, and so I'm still like dumbfounded at the fact that I've made this much money in a couple of months, and I'm just like, okay, cool. Like, that just helps me know that the possibilities are just so endless, and why you should start your channel. So this is what my revenue is sitting at right now, you guys. And then for the month of July, so far, I'm sitting at $160. So cool. not mad at that, okay? And so that is really gonna be it for the revenue part of this video, just to show you guys where I'm at right now and why it's going to be helpful for you to start your YouTube channel to grow your business. All right, friends, so now you guys were able to see where I'm at with my current revenue and how much I'm making, how much I have made, and things like that. These videos are centered around people showing how much they make on YouTube. However, I really also hope that their intent is to also encourage you with why it's important to think about making extra money for yourself and the possibilities and the opportunities that you can have when you do that. If you don't have an online business and you just want to start your YouTube channel because you just want to share something, hey, that's even great. You know, you don't have to have a business to have a channel, but the bottom line is that for this video, if you have an online business, starting a YouTube channel will help you. Period. All right, so I hope y'all get that from this. All right, y'all, so that is it for today's video on how becoming a YouTuber can help you grow your online business. If you're thinking about something that you know that you've learned and you've mastered and you know that other people are looking for your content, then I encourage you to start your channel today, you guys. So that is it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys are doing well, but as a friendly reminder, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and always choose yourself first, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, y'all.